if you are looking for the best AI certifications to have it in your resume or a LinkedIn, you need to check out this video. Now let me cover one by one. The very first one going to be AWS Certified AI Practitioner Certification. So now this primarily covers few elements. Now if you look into this, they are covering fundamentals of AI ML, they are covering fundamentals of Gen AI, applications of foundation models, guidelines for responsible AI, security, compliance, governance for AI solutions. This is primarily for people who already know machine learning, who already know AI engineering, if they want to just have a credential in their resume and to see how exactly things really work at an AWS platform level. And even if you are primarily for a manager or a leader, then this is going to really help you. And see, look at one simple concept. Certifications like AWS, Azure, they may not really help you to get a job. So they help you that you are serious about AI. So that's where you are giving your effort. So now when you are trying to use this certification, people going to think, okay, he really worked on something. He really has this AWS. So without practical exposure, without the proper studying of this, you cannot really crack this AWS certification or Azure. So that creates an indicator for a recruiters that he is serious about whatever the AI or agents is. For that reason, yes, this is going to help you. Now, this is what AWS certified practitioner covers. And if your organization is currently into AWS, yes, I think going for the certification is one of the good, and this is the beginning level of your AI certification. And the next one going to be Azure certification, we call it as AI 102. So, but this certification going to be depreciated or it going to be retired by June 30, 2026. Within the next 1 or 2 months, it going to be retired. So that you cannot earn after June 30, or you cannot retire also, you cannot renew also after June 30. So in place of this AI 102, they released another certification called AI 103. So what exactly this AI 103 going to be? Now it is called as Develop AI Apps and Agents on Azure. If your goal is to build agentic AI applications or Gen AI applications end to end, this certification is one of the good things. So by doing it, you can see the syllabus. You are developing generative AI apps in Azure, develop AI agents on Azure, develop natural language solutions in Azure, extract insights from visual data on Azure. So these are the kind of divisions which these people are trying to cover. Now you are able to, this is a very good certification if you are serious about building application. This is for developers, AI engineers, so anyone ranging from basic level to experience level, yes, they can do it. But in order to do this certification also, you need to have a knowledge of AI ML and a Python knowledge. If you have it, yes, you are able to easily complete the certification. And if you are completely new, very beginner, then there is another certification called AI 901, very beginner. So now it is called Introduction to AI in Azure. So they may not cover a lot of development practicality or being like an engineer, but it's more of like a basic level concepts and getting started with AI applications on agents on Azure. So a very simple certification. I don't think so this is worth, but you are able to try AI 103. If you are whoever tried for AI 102, now they are able to apply for AI 103. And after that, you got another certification we call AIGP, Artificial Intelligence Governance Professionals, people who are senior leaders, who are very much interested in getting into roles on ethics, AI ethics, governance, responsible AI, explainable AI. Yes, this governance professional certification is good. You are able to try, but this is not again to be an AI engineer. Now you're already an AI engineer or you are a manager, you want to get some fundamentals about governance and all of that, you can, or you can either you can rely on the certification to say I studied at this standard on AI governance to provide that. Yes, the certification going to help you. Similarly, now you have another certification from NVIDIA. We call it as Generative AI with LLM. So this is related to generative AI. So this is what they are covering: fundamentals of machine learning and neural network, prompt engineering, data analysis and visualization again. So now this is going to help you to understand, again, if you are already having knowledge on Python, statistics and all of this, so they are purely certification based. Now see this, look at the audience, already a data scientist who want to get into AI, already he's having some knowledge on cloud, already he's having some knowledge on generative AI, already he's having some knowledge on machine learning. I'm completely new to machine learning or AI, I cannot take the certifications. In order to take the certifications, you must be an AI engineer. Now, these certifications are not the one make you AI engineers. You are already AI engineer. To show that credential, the certification is going to help you. And finally, you want to manage your AI projects as a project manager, then you are able to try something from PMI, Project Management Institute, so which is called as again CPM AI. So now you are able to target this particular certification. Now again, what they are purely covering is very basic level stuff, mostly related to project management, how you manage your AI projects. So but this is very pricey, which is somewhere around 58,000, but we know the body PMI is the worth of PMI. In case if you want to be a project manager, this is not for technical people, non-technical people who want to manage AI projects in a better way, in a successful way. Yes, I think this certification going to help you to target project management level roles. Now, especially if you are a developer, you are able, if you are a basic level like 2 and above, you are able to target AI 103, or you are able to target AWS certified AI practitioner, or you are able to target NVIDIA. But my choice going to be Azure AI 103 is one of the best option to go for. And if you want, you can try the next priority going to be AWS AI certified practitioner also, which is good. And if you are a very beginner, I don't even suggest AI 109.1, that there is nothing inside the certification, there is pointless, no need to get into this. So either try 103, or you are able to try AWS certified AI practitioner. If you are a manager, you want to get into it, try for governance certification AI GP, or you are able to target PMI, CA, CPM AI. So these are the kind of certifications for managers. And even if you are a manager, then targeting CPM AI, I personally suggest Azure AI 103 is one of the best for any guy. You can be fresher, working professional, leader, anyone, you are able to target AI 103. It's a very good certification, and you have a real practical experience. Even people who go through it, they feel, oh my God, this guy really has something, he's really good at Azure. So they are able to feel it. So get into AI 103, which is good, or AWS certified AI practitioners. I hope you got a good idea. Any doubts, please share your views in the comments.